Here you have the classic Leonardo DiCaprio. In this video, I will reproduce the haircut, the color, and the two styles that Jack has on the movie Titanic. Don't miss the slick look at the end of the video. Jack, roll the tape! To start, I will separate the hair with the part on the side and comb the hair on the sides back. Using the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs, I will cut a high graduation on the middle of the back. This style looks fantastic on rectangular, diamond, and oval faces. Also works well on round and heart-shaped faces. Comb the hair behind the ears and with the razor, following the graduation guide, cut from short to long and then from top to bottom. This is not a solid form, but it graduated. After that, section the hair diagonally back and connect the layers starting from the long front layers, connecting it with the short back layers. When you take the time to study this haircut on the storyboard, you realize how long the hair is on the sides. That is why Leonardo can comb the hair with the gel. If you visit other artists on videos on YouTube, you will notice that most people don't cut the hair exactly like this. Mostly all the time they do some kind of undercut, or cut the hair very short just above the ears. Create a solid and defined line on the nape area. Yes, it's true that this haircut could be done without leaving the hair so long on the sides. It would look more like the Leon Kennedy or the Levi Ackerman. They are similar on the look, but not the same. Touch at the perimeter if it's necessary, including the nape, using the texturizing shears. I will connect and line in the waist area to give it more movement. This area that I'm cutting right now is essential to create the short layers that don't fit behind the ears. I use from the back the highest part of the graduation as a guide. I cut the hair using the razor from short to long. The bangs had to be left longer to be able to make that wave with volume in the front, and without ending to be too short. I will use bleach and a foiling technique to create these little highlights on the front area. Looks like Leonardo just gets these highlights by the sun. Lucky guy. This is the technique I use to create natural highlights with the foil paper. I use very thin sections, and using the long paper foil, first I apply the liner on the middles, and then using the brush vertically, I apply the liner on the root area. This technique prevents from having a very defined line on the roots. It's called a feather technique. It helps the hair to grow more naturally. I will end up applying the bleach on the tips, and I close the foiling paper on the sides to ensure that the liner will not come out of the packet. I use different foiling patterns for each style, depending on the result that I want to achieve. Here you have 2 packets on the side, 4 on the front, and 2 other packets on the other side, in the direction that I wanted. Dry the sides first flat and behind the ears, and connect it to the back. For this section I prefer to use a flat brush. Here you can observe the natural color sun kiss that I got from the liner. It looks like it's been bleached by the sun. Using the round brush, blow dry the hair on the direction of the style. Using the razor, detail the necessary strands to create this flowy long to short style. This is Angel del Solar, bending some hair.